Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys if you want to try to make a outstanding or very good Chrome extension in your vibe coding journey. Here the tips for you. So instead of using your own ideas, I suggest you to see on the Chrome Web Store um, which extension that you like the most, or more likely that suitable with your future money or your future business. Let's say on this Gmail, and then just install it, because this extension has 1 million users. That's a lot of users. So instead of finding and you I mean instead of thinking that you will succeed as a pioneer, I suggest you just to refactor this Chrome extension, and then you add your authenticity, or you add your own feature that more likely or people would use your Chrome extension as a unique selling point. So you just install this one, add to Chrome, simply install that one. Okay, just wait until it installed. Now also already installed, and then go back to your extension tab. So this one, and then locate the Gmail blah blah blah. I don't know what the function of that extension, to be honest. Here, check plus for Gmail, get notified, re-listen to or delete emails blah blah blah, and then click details. And then here you can see on your URL, this is the ID of the Chrome extension. Just copy that one, and then if you're using Windows, open your Windows Explorer, and then go to your users, your just locate your documents. Wait, what is it? I mean the app data. Okay, the app data, and then go to local, and then go find Google, and then on here find Chrome, and then you just search from this point. I search for the extension ID that I already copied from the Google Chrome. So wait for a while until it's shown. See, this is the Chrome extension. This is the folder of the extension, which is this is the real extension. Wait, where is it? Okay, I think you get the idea. After you get that folder, just copy in somewhere in downloads or anything, any folder, and then zip it, and then go to your AI chat that you love the most, like Cloud Code, Gemini, or ChatGPT. It's up to you. Ask them to refactor the extension. Then wait for a while, and then you have your own extension that refactor from this one. So basically this the copycat method that I don't know is it legal or not, but for now it's possible to do. For before AI era, it's very impossible to do, and that's how you build your own Chrome extension. From that, you just add your own sources or your own feature that more likely added as the unique selling point of your own extension. So that's it. This tips for you. I hope it's helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.